Hello, welcome to the HC Programming channel. Subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get notified of the latest videos from us. HTML5, Chapter 4, Paragraphs. Paragraphs. Paragraphs are the most basic HTML element. This topic explains and demonstrates the usage of the paragraph element in HTML. P. Defines a paragraph. BR. Inserts a single line break. Pre. Defines pre-formatted text. Section 4.1, HTML Paragraphs. The HTML element defines a paragraph. This is a paragraph. This is another paragraph. Display. You cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screens and resized windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the output by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML code. The browser will remove any extra spaces and extra lines when the page is displayed. This is another paragraph. Extra spaces will be removed by browsers. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment and share if this video is useful for you and many people. See you in the next video. Bye bye.